Before I was thriving, I would consider myself an active person, but not necessarily a happy active person. I was on the go. We did have small children and I was chasing them everywhere, but I was exhausted. I was a napper. Any chance I could get, I was resting and recuperating. Now we go, go, go all the time.
We're both teachers, and there in 2020 and early 2021, I was struggling like in the middle of class just to stay awake. I found myself dozing in the middle of a class, and it's like, this is not good because I've got students in the room. When I saw what it was doing for Crystal, I was just like, maybe it can help me. And I was not like a first day, second day, third day thriver. But I realized after taking the products for about a month that I look back and I'm like, wait, I've been making it through the day and not struggling to stay awake and those types of things. And it was just like, whoa.
So not only have we changed our eating habits, we're also eating earlier in the day. And Thrive has given us the opportunity, I feel like, just to be better overall. We feel better and boost our self-confidence. And that has been, I would say, just in general, life-changing for our family. We know that we're doing better things for our bodies, and in turn, that helps our children, so.
Yeah, and then being able to help friends and family feel better as well really is satisfying. So, I mean, both being teachers, it's like we like to help other people learn things, and this is just one more thing we can help people with.